This brownie is so fudgy and chocolatey. And I made it in the microwave oven. So here's how you make it. Mix dark chocolate chunks and butter. Melt in the microwave. Put granulated sugar, milk. Then mix all together. Put all-purpose flour and mix until well combined. Put chocolate chips, but it is just optional. Mix until combined. You can put more chocolate chips on top. Pop in the microwave. Wait for 2 minutes and it's ready. Here's our 2-minute microwave brownie. You gotta try it, it's so yummy. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.